I was sent this belt and I'm going to try it on 2 different ways for you. One with jeans here and then another time with a dress. I ordered a size small and I'm size 8, but actually with mid-rise jeans, I should definitely have gotten a medium. You'll see as I put it on, it's a little bit too small for me, but it does come with a tool where you can kind of punch another hole in it, so I might have to do that. All right, goes on super easily like any other belt. You can see I just don't have a lot of extra belt there, but I can get it on that very last one right there for a mid-rise pair of jeans. And then there you go. That's it with jeans. Could do a little more blousing with my top. Super cute. If you're looking for just like a really simple belt, this one's really good. Now let's check it out with a dress. Okay, I'm back in a dress. Now this one has more of a high waist, so you'll see I have plenty of space now with this belt. Pop it on right there, and then just goes through the belt loops. Very, very simple, super, super cute. I love how a belt can just transform a look, and it looks great whether you're in a dress or in jeans. I think you're gonna love this one.